In this video, we are going to understand the factors affecting India's climate. There are 6 major components affecting the climate of India. Those are latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents, and relief features. Let's understand each one of them. The first one is latitude. Due to the curvature of the earth, the amount of the solar energy received varies depend on the latitude. That's why you may observe the temperature decreases while moving towards the north. The region between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is called torrid zone. If we move beyond the torrid zone, it is called temperate zone. It is located between Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in the northern region, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in this southern region. If we go further, we see frigid zone or very cold area. So, these are the climatic changes that applied latitudinal change. The second factor is altitude. Altitude means height. The more you go above the surface of the earth to higher altitudes, the temperature decreases. Because the concentration of air molecules decreases. It is also called as thin air. That's why we like to go to hill stations. The third factor is pressure and wind system. On earth, we see always high and low pressure systems. Always remember, air moves from high pressure area to low pressure area. For example, if you switch on your AC in your home, just try to open the door. The cool air starts moving outside of the room because the air is warm outside of the room. Everyone know one thing from the childhood days onwards you are listening. Always the landmass gets heat faster than the water bodies. So, a low pressure zone is created over the land which attracts cooler molecules from the sea, causing changes in temperature. The fourth factor is distance from the sea. If you are residing in the coastal areas, you will notice there is hardly any change in the weather conditions. You will constantly facing the wind from the sea. There is no much difference in temperatures. But if you are living in central area, that is the central part of India, we are calling commonly as, you will start experiencing extreme weather conditions like too hot in summer and too cool in winter. This condition is known as continentalists or continentalites. The fifth factor is ocean currents. It is continuous flow of ocean water from one place to another. Ocean currents are created by wind, water temperature, salt content, gravitational pull of the sun and the moon. Generally, there is cold current and warm current. You may see the same in this picture. The red colored arrows indicate warm currents and blue colored arrows indicate cold currents. If you notice, most of the warm currents are nearby the equatorial region. So, the theory is these warm and cool currents are influence the nearby landmass. This change in the climatic conditions and the last factor is relief features. In geography, relief means a typical heights and low-lying areas. Example, mountains, deserts, plains, etc. High mountains act as barriers for cold or hot winds. Just like we have Himalayas protect us from the cold winds which blow from Arctic Circle and also cause for precipitation. The best example is Western Ghats act as barriers for southwest monsoons and causing bulk rainfall in the western region. Thank you.